The technical advances of recent years have not stopped at the field of astronomy. Gigantic discoveries such as the first photo of a black hole show that there are still numerous unexplored objects and phenomena in our universe. According to extrapolations by astrophysicists, there are probably as many as 100 billion galaxies in space and an equally large number of planets in the Milky Way alone whose existence we have not yet learned of. The section of the universe which humans can see resembles a tiny puzzle piece which has been put together by researchers for centuries, piece by piece. Not even the solar system known to us has been completely explored, as can be seen from the discovery of the possible dwarf planet far out only 2 years ago, or the discussion about a gas in the atmosphere of Venus that could indicate life. For several years, researchers have also speculated about the possibility of another planet in our solar system. Since Pluto's planetary status was revoked, 8 more have been counted among them. The latest research results from California should give astronomy enthusiasts cause for excitement. There is actually mathematical proof for the 9th planet in our solar system. History. In the history of astronomy, one planet has been predicted before it was finally proven through observation with a telescope. This was the blue gas giant Neptune, whose position was predicted by mathematical calculations in September 1846 by the Frenchman Urbain Le Verrier, based on orbital perturbations observed with Uranus. Hundreds of years before, the planet was observed, among others by Galileo, and mistaken for a star. It fell again into oblivion until a letter from Le Verrier to the German astronomer Johann Gottfried Galle prompted him to search for the predicted object, which ultimately confirmed Le Verrier's calculations. The existence of Neptune was firmly established. In modern times, there have also been speculations for some time that there could be an unknown 9th planet in our solar system, which has been christened with the research title Planet X. Before the discovery of Pluto, there were already speculations in the 19th century that an object must exist beyond Neptune. For a time, there was even talk about up to 3 other planets. These opinions remained without proof for years. However, 2 scientists, Konstantin Batygin and Michael E. Brown from the California Institute of Technology, have now finally presented mathematical evidence suggesting the existence of the 9th planet. What is Planet X? Planet X is a hypothetical planet that orbits far beyond the dwarf planet Pluto, which is why it used to be called Trans-Pluto. The researchers estimate that this object must have a mass 10 times that of Earth and follows an extremely elongated orbit around the Sun. While Earth completes its orbit in 365 days, Planet X would need at least 10,000, and in extreme cases, up to 20,000 Earth years for one orbit around the central star. For comparison, Neptune, the farthest known planet, takes approximately 165 Earth years to complete an orbit, while Mercury takes just 88 days. The 2 astrophysicists stumbled upon this hypothesis while working on a model originally intended to disprove the existence of such a planetary object. Ironically, their calculations ended up supporting the idea of a large, distant planet. The mathematical model suggested that an object of this size could warp the orbits of other celestial bodies by as much as 90 degrees, creating the unusual shapes observed in the Kuiper Belt. In an influential 2016 article in an astronomical journal, Batygin and Brown hypothesized that Planet X could have entered the Kuiper Belt region about 3 million years ago, potentially due to gravitational interactions with Jupiter. The Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a ring-shaped region outside Neptune's orbit, located between 39 and 48 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. The best-known object in the Kuiper Belt is Pluto. This icy and dark region of space is home to a variety of astronomical objects, including numerous comets. However, due to its vast distance and the faint sunlight reflected by its objects, the Kuiper Belt remains a challenging area to observe. Recent discoveries in the Kuiper Belt include a number of dwarf planets similar in size to Pluto, which ultimately led to Pluto's demotion from planetary status. Astronomers suggest that the existence of Planet X could help explain the peculiar, clustered orbits of objects in this region. Clusters that could only be caused by the gravitational pull of a massive, undiscovered planet. Brown and Batygin's calculations suggest that Planet X might be an ice giant, similar to Neptune or Uranus, with an estimated surface temperature of around minus 226 degrees Celsius. Its orbit is believed to have a highly elongated shape, with a semi-major axis that makes it extremely distant for much of its journey around the Sun. In search of the first photo, the evidence for Planet X remains rooted in mathematical model calculations, which, while highly convincing, have not yet provided a concrete visual confirmation of this mysterious celestial body. However, this is expected to change soon. With advancements in technology, the world's most powerful telescopes now have the potential to detect and capture the first image of this elusive planet. One promising tool is NASA's TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, originally designed to search for exoplanets outside our solar system. Researchers plan to use a new technique called shift stacking to aid in the search for Planet X. This method involves defining potential orbital paths for the object and then observing a specific region of the sky over several weeks. By stacking hundreds of images taken during this period, researchers can enhance the weak light signal reflected by the object, making it easier to detect. Due to the faint reflection of sunlight and its extreme distance, Planet X is incredibly difficult to observe through traditional methods. Shift stacking has already proven effective in uncovering distant objects within Neptune's sphere of influence, offering hope that the technique can also reveal Planet X. In a recent paper by Greg Laughlin and Melina Rice from Yale University, data from the TESS telescope was analyzed, resulting in signals from several trans-Neptunian objects. Researchers hope that similar efforts will soon produce the first visual confirmation of Planet X. Criticism and debate. Despite the mounting evidence for Planet X, not all scientists agree on its existence. Critics argue that the observed gravitational perturbations could potentially be explained by other factors, such as an uneven distribution of smaller celestial objects in the Kuiper belt or interactions with interstellar material. However, Badigian and Brown remain confident in their findings, estimating the probability of Planet X's existence at 99.9%. The debate highlights the dynamic nature of astronomy, where new discoveries often challenge long-held assumptions. Regardless of whether Planet X is ultimately confirmed, the search for it has already driven technological and theoretical advancements that will benefit the field for years to come. Naming the new planet. Should Planet X be discovered, it will require a name. Traditionally, planets in our solar system have been named after gods from Roman mythology. It remains to be seen whether this tradition will continue or if the scientific community will choose a name that reflects modern astronomical achievements or the discovery's unique characteristics. A new era in astronomy. The search for Planet X represents the next chapter in humanity's exploration of the cosmos. If confirmed, it would not only expand our understanding of the solar system's architecture, but also provide new insights into planetary formation and evolution. Additionally, the discovery could open the door to finding other hidden worlds in the distant reaches of our solar system. For now, the hunt for Planet X continues, and with it, the excitement and curiosity of astronomers and enthusiasts alike. Could this mysterious planet help us better understand the forces shaping our solar system? Could there be even more hidden celestial bodies waiting to be uncovered? We're eager to hear your thoughts. What do you think Planet X might look like? Do you believe in its existence, or are you skeptical? Are there more undiscovered planets lurking in the farthest corners of our solar system? Share your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned to our channel Digital Discoveries for more updates and fascinating insights into the universe. If you like our videos, feel free to support us with a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Digital Discoveries, and be excited about the videos that will be waiting for you in the future.